you're gonna need Arduino Nano or as you wish, and TCS34725 RGB color sensor, a breadboard, and LCD display with I2C on the back of it. And few jumper wires, male to male and male to female. In this code we have added wire.h library and Adafruit TC34725 for color sensor and liquid crystal underscore I2C for the display. Go to libraries and search for liquid crystal I2C. I have already installed this library. Search for Adafruit TCS347. As I have already installed, you can also install this library. And these are the pins for RGB LED, and it has a common anode, nothing but only one anode, that is positive, and these are for outputs for red, green and blue. This will start the display of LCD. These are the pins recognizing for the output or input. This is for recognizing the color, whether it is a blue, red or green. And this have the RGB LED as a common anode. And this code displays the value of red, green and blue, and this will display in the LCD. If red is greater than 120, it will display red. If blue is greater than 110, it will display blue. If green is greater than 120, it will display green. If red is greater than 120, red pin will be high. If the blue is more than 110, the blue pin will be high. If green is more than 120, the green pin will be high. Now compile the code. See, it is showing compiling. After compiling, select the board and port, then upload it to your Nano or Uno. It's compiling. Now it's uploading. It is showing done uploading. After uploading, remove your Arduino Nano or Uno from the PC or computer. Now take a breadboard and Arduino Nano, place it on the breadboard as I am showing here. After placing, take the TCS34725 RGB color sensor and place it on breadboard as shown here. Now take a LCD display with I2C and connect male to female jumper wires to it. Connect ground to ground, ground of display to ground of or Nano, and VCC to 5V pin on Arduino Nano, and SCL to A5 on the RGB color sensor, SCL to SCL, and SDA of LCD display to SDA of RGB color sensor. Now take 4 male to male jumper wires, 4 male to male jumper wires. Connect 5V pin of Arduino Nano to win of RGB color sensor and ground pin of Arduino Nano to ground pin of RGB color sensor. And A5 pin of Arduino Nano to SCL, A4 pin of Arduino Nano to SDA of RGB color sensor. Now the circuit is ready. To power up this Arduino Nano, take a cable and connect to it as I am showing here. After owning, you cannot see anything, but I'll show you near for you. Take and come near for you. As you can see here, it is displaying NUTHAN.D below that color. After color, it will display the color actually. If I place blue on the RGB cursor, it will show blue. This is a red marker. If I place it on it, it will show red. This is soldering iron's cap. If it is green in color, if I keep on that, it shows green. As you can see here, I'll show you once again. I'll keep a red marker on it, it shows red. If I'm keeping blue now, it shows blue. I place now green color on it, it shows green. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.